Thinking of buying a car? Start smart. This guide helps you navigate the journey to your perfect ride, focusing on reliability and value. Reliability and resale value are key. Brands like Toyota offer peace of mind and a smart long-term investment for your future. First, thoroughly research your needs. Consider features, safety ratings, and fuel efficiency. What truly fits your lifestyle best? Next, set a realistic budget. Factor in insurance, maintenance, and the overall cost of ownership, not just the sticker price. Always test drive. Feel the car's comfort and handling. This is crucial to ensure it's the right fit for you and your daily commute. Before buying, inspect thoroughly. Check the engine, interior, and exterior. Always get a vehicle history report for peace of mind. Follow these essential steps, and you'll drive away confident in your choice. Your reliable ride awaits.